Camera's probably, that's me dancing behind it. Alright, shaky camera. Hey. Oh, what happened then? Jeez, they're fighting so hard, aren't they, tonight? He's a stomper, another one. Camera won't pick that up, will it? Look, I'm making him net his own fish now. No net, come on, let's put the net down. Bend down there and pick it up. Yeah, that's a big fish. That's it, you got him. So what you want to do is put your hand, realign, go down the rod a bit more. No, down the rod. Use your hand. Yeah, that's it. No. Is that perch or bream? Bream. Nice. Just stand up a lot a bit more.
Gulp prawn.
In the middle of Arabia.
Bend hook, worm hook. Okay, you're on. Film.
I think it's my first chew on a cod rod, mate. You might have to follow me around the block.
Yeah.
Not really. Why is everyone not one of the mid-lose of fish so much?
Look at that.
Well, I got 50-pound braid. I'm not worried about you going. 50-pound braid, 30-pound leader. Oh, that's you know what? I can't believe that. Look at. Oh!